Hello dear student, we see the most important part in this brain, that is the functional areas of cerebral cortex region. The functional area of cerebral cortex, it is mainly divided into three types. The first it says as the sensory area, second it says as the motor area, and the third it says as the association area. The first one, it is the sensory area. This sensory area, it's involved in analysis of sensation. The second one, it is the motor area. Motor area, it is concerned with origin of motor impulses and involved in the control of muscle movement. The third, it says as the association area. This association area, which is concerned with the higher faculties such as thinking, reasoning, problem solving, understanding, memory, moral, and the creative abilities. As we already know that the brain, it shows the four lobes. This first lobe, it says as a frontal lobe. Second, it says as the parietal lobe. Third, it says as the occipital lobe. And the fourth one, it is a temporal lobe. We see the functions performed by these four lobes. The first it says as the frontal lobes. This frontal lobes, it shows the first functional areas, that is known as the general motor areas. The general motor areas, it is also says as the प्रीसेंट्रल गायरस, मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो रीजन होता है उसको बोला जाता है जनरल मोटर एरियाज. The general motor areas, it is the voluntary muscle movement, that is movement of legs, arms, hand, all these movement which is work out by this general motor area. The second one, it is the association area. This association areas means these areas which is present, that is known as the association areas. These association areas, it is also says as the premotor areas. This area you can see here, this area it says as the premotor areas. It is the higher intellectual processes, that is the contraction, planning, problem solving, and the judging. These important functions which is work out by this association area. The third and the most important area which is present in the frontal lobe, that is says as the motor switch area, means this area it says as the motor switch area. It is also says as the Broca area. It also says as the Broca's area, means it's a motor control of speech, movement of tongue, lips, and the vocal cord. So these three functions which is performed by this frontal lobe. The next one, it is a parietal lobe. So this region it says as a parietal lobe. This parietal lobe, it shows the first area, it says as the sensory area. This sensory area, it's a general sensory area, that is the sensation of the temperature, touch, pressure, pain. This important function, it is work out by the sensory area. The second most important area which is present in the parietal lobe, it says as the Wernicke's area. That's a association area. This Wernicke's area, that is the sensory speech area. It is an understanding of the speech, expressions of thoughts and the feelings. The third area which is present in the parietal lobe, it says as the taste area, that is understanding of the taste. The next one we see the temporal lobe. So this part it says as the temporal lobe. This temporal lobe, it is the shows the presence of the sensory area, that is the olfactory area and the auditory area is present. The olfactory area, it is perform the function as a sense of smell. And the auditory area, it is a function as a sense of hearing. The last lobe which is present in the cerebral cortex, it says as the occipital lobe. This occipital lobe, it is perform the function as there is a presence of the areas known as the sensory visual areas. It says as the sensory visual areas, and the second one, it's a visual association area. The sensory visual areas, it is a function as a sense of vision, and the association visual areas, it is function as a analysis, perception, storing information, and obtain information obtained by sights. Hope so you understood it. All these four lobes, that is a frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe, that is all the cerebral cortex, it performs the different function. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.